Hello, my name is Isaac Ofori. I'm the founder and CEO of TCR Company Limited in Accra. TCR is into recycling of plastic waste to make it transform it into valuable products to save our planet. I heard about this program, monitoring and evaluation course. I was like, let me try it because in the future I'm going to employ a professional worker. However, as a CEO, I need to get basic information about whatever is going to be presented to me in the future. In fact, now that I have the basic, I don't want to end here. The program is so sweet, so wonderful that now I know when it comes to monitoring what has to be done, evaluation, what has to be done. So I'm not going to end here. I'm going to make sure that I progress as time goes on. And please, I want to recommend this program to everybody out there that take advantage of it because it's going to change your life because it has started changing my life and how I want my project to be in the future. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.
My name is Victor Kofiadade, District Marketing Officer of Ghana Water Company, Accra East District, and a marketing professional as well. As a professional, I need continuous professional development. So when I heard of this program, I realized that I don't need to limit myself to one perspective. So I enrolled. The course has been very fantastic and I like it because it has been very practical. We are able to understand the concept of M&E. And with this concept, I realized that it's going to improve my performance in the organization. However, I would like each and every professional, no matter your background, to get understanding of the basic of M&E program so that you will not be left behind. You get a better view of how to manage yourself, manage your colleagues, workers, and improve your performance as you know the measures to put in place to be able to get exact desired result with it. Don't ever limit yourself, but improve your performance by enrolling on this particular program. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Paul Kobla Afachel. I am a lecturer in colleges of education, Akachi or Akachi College of Education in the Volta region. At the same time, supervisor of work in my institution. I also do practice construction on my own in my community and other environments. Actually, I have been doing things on my own way, but there are always challenges. So I've been wondering how I can get the appropriate knowledge in handling my project's activity in a professional manner. So when I heard of the M&E program, I really decided, though it was at the shortest notice, I decided to give it a trial. And lo and behold, when I came, it was a complete transformation of life and knowledge and professional ethics. So I realized that this program one cannot do away with if you really want to boast of your academic work and the field work. I have also prayed that next time around, if any opportunity will be created purposely relating to the M&E, I need to attend to consolidate my knowledge and to be very comfortable to practice my activity in the field of construction. Thank you.
My name is Joseph Edwin Yelkabo. I work for World Vision Ghana, Northern Operations, and I manage an EU project known as Lean Project. I came across the flyer on professional training on measurement and evaluation, and I expressed interest in participating. Behold, coming here, my expectations have been met because I think the training was quite interactive. I enjoyed every bit of it, and I can describe that it was just, awesome being here. I would encourage anybody who want to deepen his knowledge in M&E, and as people in programming or as people who implement projects within the NGO sector, you need to understand clearly what M&E is so that you can contribute and also appreciate the work of your M&E officer and also provide some level of feedback on, the work that you do, so that at the end of it all, you have quality program delivery, to your constituents. So me, I'll call on anybody who is interested in this training to please watch out and be willing to participate in the next call that will be coming to Ghana or online. I wouldn't hesitate on any day to participate in one of this training again. Thank you.
My name is Vera Abe. I work currently for Plan International Ghana. Upon seeing the content of this particular training with Vantage Africa, I contacted them and then an invitation was sent to me. Upon scrutinizing the content, I felt that it was worth participating. Even though I've been in the M&A field for the past 15 years or over, I felt that there is always opportunity created for new learnings because I know M&A is very dynamic. And I must say that the session so far has been very interactive. We have had opportunity to learn from each other and also come on board some new learnings. As much as the field or thematic area is very dynamic, it has given me the opportunity to fill in a few gaps of my practice in the past, and my opportunity of also sharing with others have even further deepened my understanding and ability to give other people, especially to society, back. So in a nutshell, I must say that anybody who comes across this program anywhere again can take advantage of it because it is worth participating. It is worth building your skills in M&E. It is worth even improving upon your M&E skills if already you are in the field. So it is not only for beginners but also for intermediate and even advanced M&E experts as well. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Rebecca Yandam. I'm the Senior Research Officer for Zoomlion Ghana Limited, a member of the Jospon Group of Company. I'm here for a training in monitoring and evaluation organized by the Vantage Africa School of Leadership. The monitoring and evaluation training was splendid. I really loved the way the trainer incorporated real life experiences when it comes to monitoring and evaluation. It gave me a deeper knowledge of the relevant concepts and methodologies for organizing monitoring and evaluation that can impact me greatly as a researcher for a conglomerate like the Jospon Group of Companies. Thank you.
My name is Apia Kubi Oruedu, a senior training manager with the Civil Service Training Center of the Office of the Head of Civil Service. I have sat in 3 different M&E programs, and I was not still getting what I was looking for. When I heard about the M&E program being organized by the Vantage Africa School of Leadership, I decided to enroll. And indeed, this has been a very lively program that I never regret joining. It has been down to earth, it has been very practical, and it has given me the very basis that I will need to build on for a career that I am looking out for. I am so grateful that I joined this particular program. Thank you.
My name is Edward Anaba Kunyara. I work for World Vision Ghana as a project manager. Um, in fact, this training was excellent. What I do like about training was that it was hands-on, practical, and relevant to the field of work that I do. I would actually love to be part of this training in future, and it is one that I would recommend for everybody. This training was organized by Vantage Africa School of Leadership. It's actually an organization that I would recommend to anybody who wants hands-on training on monitoring and evaluation. Thank you.